sun rao, I'm listening to you, and I'm not being able to reconcile this whole theory, because within 6 hours of his death, ek puri jaise kehte hain, there was a tsunami of articles which said, man with a troubled mind. Man with a troubled mind. Somebody else comes out and says that he would have I knew he will have an end like Parveen Babi. Some people are saying that here are some warning signs of depression so that you don't end up like Sushant Singh Rajput. A man with a troubled mind. The whole narrative, Ankita, was about clinical depression of Sushant Singh Rajput. That he was, quote unquote, slipping away. That he was uncontrollably depressed. And this narrative was being thrust again and again and again everywhere. I can put out 1,000 articles today. And now you're telling me that you cannot even imagine him in that way. And I cannot think of anyone other than you who would have known him closer. So I want you to tell me once again about it, because I want the whole country to hear this. You are saying he's a man with ambition. You are saying that he's a man with drive. You are saying he's a man who made a 5-year plan, who wanted to achieve a lot of things, and who actually told you that even if he were to lose something, he would go into farming, he would probably go and make a short film, but he would not kill himself. He did everything on his own. And I have only heard this, Ankita. Depressed man, suicide.
Yes, sir.
Blame it on Sushant theory.
So
whole industry is going on.
it's a very wrong word to use for Sushant. Very wrong use. Very wrong word.
I want you
for
to tell me a little bit more about it. I want you to tell me a little bit more about it. Why you don't think so?
Yes, sir. Because, sir, I have seen this man working so hard for himself. सर, एक लड़का है जिसने पवित्र रिश्ता चूज किया. पहले वो थिएटर्स करता था, उसने थिएटर में प्ले करना शुरू किया. उसके बाद उसने सोचा मैं कुछ और करता हूं, उसने सीरियल लिया. फिर उसके बाद उसको लगा मुझे कुछ और करना है. उस सीरियल्स में सर ही वॉज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट स्टार्स. उसने सर बहुत पीक पर आकर पवित्र रिश्ता छोड़ा था, जब वो टेलीविजन का सबसे बड़ा हीरो था. एंड टेलीविजन इज अ बिग मार्केट सर. टेलीविजन इज ह्यूज. Because I am from television and that time पवित्र रिश्ता was in a peak sir. मतलब उस टाइम सुशांत ने आके टेलीविजन छोड़ा था क्योंकि उसको कुछ और करना था. He was never stuck in one thing. He was very creative. He said मुझे कुछ और करना है. He tried films. He got into films. उसने फिल्म्स की. उसके बाद आज लोग उसको बोल रहे हैं वो डिप्रेशन में था. मैं ये मान ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि जो लड़का जिसको पता है उसे क्या करना है, जो उसने तभी जब वो फिल्म्स में भी उसने 3 साल वेट किया है सर. मैंने उसको बोला तू छोड़, पवित्र छोड़, तुझे जो करना है वो कर. बिकॉज जब एक पैशनेट दिमाग होता है ना, व्हेन यू हैव सो मच ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी इन योर हेड एंड you don't know what to do it, how to use it, you have to wait for a certain period. You have to give time to yourself. मैंने बोला सुशांत को just give time to yourself, and he sir waited for that one break for himself. He waited for 3 years. He was sitting at home. He was waiting for that one break. Everybody don't have that patience sir, but he had that patience. He waited for that.
If I were to ask you this, if I were to ask you this, कि आपने, you have seen his career from that day you tweeted also on July 24th, from Pavitra Rishta to Dil Bechara. But if I were to ask you this, that there now we are getting some evidence that all his money was taken away from him. Okay? And here's the situation I'm asking you. They said that at one point of time he had 49 crore rupees in his account, and eventually there was just about 1 crore left. Means all the money was taken away from his account. I'm asking you today as someone who knew him, even if all his money was to be taken away from him, even if all his money was to be stolen away from him, would he kill himself? He was only 34 years old. He had his whole life ahead of him. He was talented. Would he kill himself even then? With his biggest film right there in front of him, Dil Bechara, would he kill himself? I'm asking you again. Just put yourself, you know him well, what do you think? What do you think?
I want to tell you this, sir. Sir, money was never, sir, पैसा बहुत छोटी चीज थी सुशांत के लिए. पैशन बहुत बड़ा था. वो हमेशा मुझे बोलता था कि अगर मैं सब खत्म भी हो जाए ना, तो मैं अपना एम्पायर फिर से खड़ा कर लूंगा. और नहीं कुछ भी लाना तो मैं अपने दम पर जिंदगी जीऊंगा। सर मनी वॉज नेवर एन एजेंडा फॉर हिम। हिज क्रिएटिविटी, हिज पैशन टूवर्ड्स फिल्म्स, हिज पैशन टूवर्ड्स लाइफ, आई वुड रादर से। फिल्म नहीं, वो जो करता था ना वो शिद्दत से करता था सर, बहुत शिद्दत से करता था लड़का। मैंने उसको देखा है सर, हर एक छोटी से छोटी चीज में डांस करता था ना, वो खुशी से करता था। वो बैकग्राउंड डांसर रहा है सर, वो शामक डावर के ग्रुप में बैकग्राउंड डांसर था। वो बैकग्राउंड डांसर से उसकी जर्नी जो शुरू हुई है वो दिल बेचारा पर खत्म हुई है। वो कभी वो सर मेरे को, मुझे अभी तक याद है सुशांत मुझे हमेशा एक चीज बोलता था, सक्सेस और फेलियर के बीच में एक लाइन होती है जो वो हमेशा बोलता था, जो धोनी फॉलो करते हैं। यू नो, जब कुछ ज्यादा अच्छा होता है तो भी वो सटल रहता है, जब कुछ ज्यादा खराब होता है तो भी वो सटल रहता है। एंड सुशांत बोलता था मैं ऐसे होना चाहता हूं, बिकॉज ही वॉज लाइक दैट, वेरी बैलेंस्ड। ना उसको सक्सेस कभी अफेक्ट की, ना उसको डाउनफॉल कभी अफेक्ट किया। बोला कभी अफेक्ट भी होगा ना तो आई बाउंस बैक, क्योंकि ये जो खुशियां है सर, ये जो थोड़ी सी खुशियां है, ये उसी टाइम की होती है, वो पल भर की खुशियां होती है। ये सुशांत मानता था सर, इसीलिए वो छोटी छोटी चीजों में खुशियां ढूंढता था। वो उन लड़कों को, बच्चों को पढ़ाता था जिसमें उसको खुशी मिलती थी। उसने इतने सारे बच्चों को एजुकेशन दिया सर, उसको खुशी जहां मिलती थी वो स्टार्स को गेज करता, उसको वो चीजें खुशी देती थी सर। अब वो उसकी रियल खुशी थी, उसके लिए ये उसका पैशन था एंड ही वर्क टुवर्ड्स दैट पैशन। बट ही कैन नॉट डाई फॉर दिस, he cannot